Protecting our oceans isn't just a passion, it's a career. Welcome to Envirotech Education's Diploma of Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration. Our nationally recognized 78-week diploma or accelerated 58-week option equips you with hands-on skills in coral nursery design, marine ecosystem monitoring, pollution response, and more. With 22 units combining core and elective subjects, you'll learn to design and execute marine restoration and conservation projects, conduct benthic assessments and marine environmental monitoring, respond to pollution events and measure blue carbon impact. Envirotech is the only internationally accredited vet provider delivering this marine habitat qualification. The curriculum integrates environmental education with indigenous ecosystem stewardship and modern restoration techniques. Graduates pursue meaningful roles like marine environmental project manager, pollution response coordinator, coastal ecosystem restoration specialist, aquaculture manager, marine spatial planner, and educator. Work across government bodies, NGOs, research institutions, or sustainable tourism companies. This program advances United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, from quality education and sustainable livelihoods to climate action and ocean conservation, environmentally focused career ready. From classroom learning to field placements, VIP program, you will engage with real conservation projects and gain public communication skills. Prepare for success with career support and resume coaching. Want to join? Visit Envirotech's website to download a brochure, book a consultation, or just check the enrollment process. Envirotech's Diploma of Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration, where passion meets profession. Start your journey in marine conservation today.